Good evening, guys. Once again, I'm very sorry there were some technical glitches, so I have to shut it down. Welcoming you all for the Instagram live series, the super thrilling series, and we are enjoying every episode of it. Little sad to tell you that this is second last episode, but yes, very happy that we have completed this series very successfully, having mompreneurs, business owners, small scale entrepreneurs, and glad to tell you that our last two episodes will have beautiful mompreneurs, not only beautiful but very active, very happy, and going to be very successful in coming days. Yes. So, as you all know, December is approaching. We have to wind up one thing for something better. Now, Instagram live series when will end after coming Friday. We will be having something really interesting for each one of you. And we are every time overwhelmed to have a people as supporters with us. Today also we have a duo who love dancing. If you remember last time I had mentioned that these people are dancing, making their passion, taking it to another level, and making sure that moms around or senior citizens around dance, do aerobics, and activities they have started which were never part of their earlier project. Now they have opened a new studio and already rocking their city. Let's welcome today Brinda Vyas and Rashmi Sharma straight from Dazzle Activity Center, and they will let us know why Dazzle and how important is Dazzle. They will let us know as a mom what are the basic things they followed. They will let us know what were the best things they did, and they will let us know how many hurdles they have actually crossed to reach on this level. Let's have them on the video and ask them. Okay, I've just invited them and let's wait for them. Hello, Brinda and Rashmi, dazzling duo. कैसे हैं आप दोनों? ऑलरेडी डैजल कर रहे हो इतना? अभी दिसंबर में बहुत लोग डैजल होने वाले हैं आप लोगों के साथ. सर्दी भी है और सब लोग बहुत अच्छा खाएंगे भी और आप सबको फिटनेस के लिए प्रेशर देने वाले हो, राइट? योर वॉइस इज टू लो, Brinda, Rashmi.
Yes. Sorry.
Your voice is too low.
Too low. Okay. It's full. Maybe we are low. We have to be loud.
Yeah. Be a little louder. So, guys, I want to tell you that Brinda, Rashmi, they are part of Mommy's World since long now. And they have started their journey with Mommy's World through Branjo Media, one of the series we launched in February. And since then, they are not stopping. Very happy to see you guys achieving new goals and milestones and not stopping. So over to you. Let our viewers know why Dazzle and how dazzling.
Okay. We started our journey in 2016 from one wedding choreography, and we both are from Gujarat. And luckily, we met here. We became friends. Our husband was friends, so we became friends. Then our both passion was dancing and being fit. So one day we only thought, we were just discussing, let's start something related to dance or fitness. And this way just started with one wedding choreography, then started with some couple of students in one society. We were taking dance classes.
We used to go to like we started in such a way, we used to go to one society. तो उसमें family was little bit that कि why to go there and teach, right? So, but
Hmm.
then we said that we don't have any kind of shyness or शर्म नहीं है,
Hmm.
काम करना है, दूसरी जगह पे आके settle होना है. So we started with only 15 students at a time. 1.5 years we continued there only. Then from there we had some connection started. तो कहीं से किसी ने ऑफर किया
Someone approached us.
that you can rent a place.
But the best thing, let me cut you in between. That best thing you both have, you both love dancing, and you both love teaching also. So
Yes.
ideally, you are being the teachers, good teachers, to the people who really want to learn, and you are giving them a platform through Dazzle. Started from a simple, very small choreography, like you said.
इन एन एरिया जो थोड़ा सा पार्किंग जैसा लुक था, तो फैमिली वालों को तो था भी नहीं है वो
To
जगह.
start, we just started. मतलब we were just thinking,
We
we,
just-
yeah, we don't have any shyness. We want to start. We want to
We
complete our
wanted
passion.
clients.
So
Hmm.
we'll just start it.
Hmm.
Let it be anything. We'll just start.
तो एक बात बताइए, आप लोग ने ये इतना बड़ा भी स्टूडियो बना लिया है जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे, क्योंकि आप दोनों मिलके स्टेप बाय स्टेप बहुत अच्छा अचीव कर रहे हो. आपकी फैमिली से कितना सपोर्ट रहा है इन चीजों के लिए आपको?
See, हम लोग की फैमिली से we have been they have supported us throughout. Like काम करने के लिए कभी नहीं रोका. Whatever you want to do, मतलब हम लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में लेट आवर्स भी काम किया है, 9 o'clock भी काम किया है लेटर. तब हमारे बच्चे मतलब हम दोनों के
10 months के थे.
11 months के थे तब. At that time we
किया.
started with choreography, dance classes. उसके बाद क्लासेस स्टार्ट किया, फिर एरोबिक स्टार्ट किया. तो ग्रेजुअली वी स्टार्टेड एवरीथिंग एंड हमारी फैमिलीज ने, दोनों की फैमिली से बहुत सपोर्ट किया.
सपोर्ट तो किया ही है, बट एक कंडीशन थी कि घर संभलना चाहिए.
घर संभाल के करोगे.
यहाँ से वहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू बैलेंस योर पर्सनल लाइफ, योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, योर घर एंड ऑल, योर किड्स. वो एक प्रायोरिटी
ये
था.
नहीं है कि बच्चों को छोड़ के जाओगे, बच्चों को देखोगे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. यू हैव टू
Even
take care of your
we
kids as well.
haven't kept like any kind of maid or anything for our kids. हम लोग ही देखते हैं बच्चों को, जो भी हो बच्चों को सुला के काम
But this
करते
is the best thing, Brinda, Rashmi, we women can do it. We have that much of capacity to handle lot many things. We are the multitaskers, and that's the reason we always say that women are considered fragile, but we are not. We are very strong.
Exactly.
We can easily balance work, life, kids, family, everything can be balanced very easily if we want to.
Yes.
The passion keeps you pushing. So,
Yes.
yeah, it was your passion, so you have come so long now.
Right.
Tell me, how was deciding about opening a physical studio in this corona time? What were your thoughts?
Actually, we decided this thing before Corona. Like we were about to open it in this year, July. But then
Okay.
Corona आ गया. Then everything was delayed. But एक मन में डर सा था कि इतना कोरोना के बाद न्यू चीज ओपन करना, that is a very risky for us. We have invested lot of money in this studio.
So you had actually finalized the place before corona only?
Yes.
Before corona,
Okay.
we finalized the place, we saw the place. उस समय काम थोड़ा बाकी था वहाँ पे, so वो चल रहा था.
Okay.
We were said कि हाँ ठीक है, हम we will go at our Mica in July and we'll come back and we'll, with the bang we'll open a new studio. But ये bang तो कोरोना आ गया.
So corona आ गया, लेकिन आपके माइंड में था corona, so that's how you did it. So that corona has to be there, back in the mind.
सोच रहे थे कि करे ना करे, कैसे करेंगे यार, क्या पता क्या होगा, because all about money, right? मतलब we don't take any money or business money from our families. Whatever we are doing,
in 4 years में कभी नहीं लिया. We never asked money from our family.
मतलब whatever we manage,
That's good.
in our payments only.
हम लोग की पेमेंट्स में हम लोग को जो देना लेना जो होता था, कहीं कहीं इन्वेस्ट करना था, तो we only used to invest from our money itself. हमने कभी भी नहीं लिया.
So that was,
That's good. That's good. Such an example for your kids, Brinda, Rashmi, because they will see you and they will follow your footsteps. So if you are independent, you can tell them कि जाओ अपने आप जाके बाहर कमाओ when they are, in their age. So you are setting an example for your kids. That's wonderful thing. Now tell me, how difficult is to train the people who wants to dance but cannot. There must be few people in your studio or your online classes जो करना चाहते हैं कर नहीं पाते, उनको कैसे डील करते हो आप?
Very difficult.
It is difficult, but we have to keep a lot of patience for that.
We can't shout all the time on them, otherwise they'll not come the next day.
Okay, kids के
Yes.
ऊपर हम लोग स्ट्रिक्टनेस रखना पड़ता है. We
पड़ता
have
है.
to be strict on kids, नहीं तो वो लोग तो मस्ती कुछ सीखेंगे नहीं, मजाक
सीखेंगे
मस्ती
नहीं.
करते रहेंगे. So उनके लिए we have to be. But जो adults आते हैं सीखने, like
उनके
wedding
लिए
choreography हो
politeness
गया,
होना पड़ता है.
उनके लिए नहीं. Okay, we'll change. We'll try to teach you. If not, then we'll change the steps for you. It's okay.
We
We'll
make
change the
it
steps.
a
We'll
little
make it
easier, modified.
So
like,
that way,
you know, if we are teaching some tough ones to the others, then we'll teach the easy ones to the others.
that way.
way.
According to their
So,
demand.
so
keep
ठीक
on
है. I guess you both are keeping a balance of teaching them. एक अगर गुस्सा कर रहा है तो दूसरा शायद हैंडल करता है, और that way you must be keeping a balance, right? This is what I understand, knowing you by far now. Also, हाँ तुम चिल्लाती हो मुझे पता है वृंदा. I know by now, I know by this time. Okay, tell me, कितने ज्यादा agreements और disagreements है आप दोनों में अपने काम को लेके?
इतने नहीं है.
होते हैं, लेकिन
थोड़े बहुत
इतने
हैं.
होते
इतने
हैं.
नहीं.
अभी हुआ, बाय द टाइम रात हुआ, ऑल गॉन. मतलब हम लोग में होते हैं, कौन से पार्टनर
घर में भी होते हैं यार. तो
सब पार्टनर्स में होते हैं. देखो सभी पार्टनर्स में होते. It is very common to have disagreements and there is no shame to accept that, because partners के दोनों के दिमाग अलग है. 2 है या 5 है, because everybody thinks in a different way. So if you have disagreements, that means you both are looking for the success in your way.
Right.
So this is how it goes.
फिर भी I can say comparatively बहुत कम disagreements हुए हैं. वो confidently बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि इतना अगर disagreements हुए होते ना तो ये partnership इतना long run तक चलती ही नहीं.
And कभी भी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ और पर्सनल लाइफ we haven't mixed ever. अगर हम लोग प्रोफेशनली लड़ रहे हैं या किसी चीज में डिसएग्रीमेंट कर रहे हैं, the very next day if we are meeting personally,
We will solve it
personal
at a
level,
time.
so we'll be all okay.
Tell me, since how long you know each other? Since how many years now you know each other?
7 years.
7 years. That's after marriage you only met, or before that you knew each other?
No, after marriage.
After marriage. So अभी एक बात बताऊं, आपके सेशंस में सबसे ज्यादा कोरियोग्राफी किसकी होती है? कौन प्लान करता है और एग्जीक्यूट दूसरा करता है? वो इम्पोर्टेंटली कौन प्लान करता है कोरियोग्राफी?
हम लोग दोनों कोरियोग्राफ हमेशा साथ में ही करते हैं.
अच्छा.
या we both
आइडियाज, मेजरली आइडियाज किसके होते हैं?
होते हैं when we both are there. हम लोग का कोरियोग्राफी कुछ और ही होता है. अकेले होता है तो हम लोग दोनों डल हो जाते हैं. मतलब अगर if I am alone तो मैं भी डल हो जाऊंगी, if she is alone she will be dull. मतलब उतना अच्छा नहीं निकलता. when we both are there, हम लोग का कोरियोग्राफी बहुत अच्छा होता
तो
है.
हम लोग दोनों जब भी वेडिंग का काम होता है we both stay together only. मतलब
we
कभी
do
भी
it
कोई भी
together.
काम अकेला नहीं किया है आज तक. खाली बैचेस we take अलग अलग, because now we have 6 batches of fitness and 2-3 batches of dance. So now it is not difficult to do all the things together. And beginning में तो हम लोग के instructors भी नहीं थे. 2.5 years तो सब कुछ हम दोनों ने ही संभाला है. Teaching से लेके, going to the places से लेके, making the edited tracks and everything we only did. Now like second pregnancy के time पे we both got pregnant at the same time again.
ये प्लान किया था?
Yes. नहीं,
प्रेगनेंसी सेकेंड टाइम प्लान किया?
पूरा unplanned. First pregnancy together.
Second भी unplanned.
First pregnancy में our kids are 9 days apart. Second pregnancy our kids are 1.5 months apart. So we kept instructors now. So now we have 2 instructors under us. So अब थोड़ा उन पे भी डाल देते हैं. Editing and going to the place.
So congratulations to both of you for achieving this much what you have achieved. I have seen your videos. You guys are doing wonderful. Tell me, when you were teaching only online, when there was not, studio was not there, and during this pandemic time, how tough was to coordinate, because आप लोग मिल भी नहीं सकते थे उस टाइम पर. कितना बार आप एक दूसरे को वीडियोस भेजोगे, व्हाट्सएप करोगे? So how you used to plan for that?
Actually starting में हम लोगों ने जब first month जो कोरोना के बाद वाला first month था, उसमें we did 3 classes. Like we used to send every 1 hour workout to our clients, all the clients
Hmm.
for free, 1 month.
We used to have 2-3 batches कोरोना के पहले. उन बैचेस से हम लोग का व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप था. We used to share daily videos of workout. Yes, didn't work out. मतलब किड्स का जो डांस क्लासेस था that we started online, but बच्चों को समझ नहीं आ रहा था. Already too much of burden of online classes, this and that. So we because बच्चों को इतना ज्यादा भी ऑनलाइन देना, it was not good for
एंड इवन हम लोगों को भी ऑनलाइन टीचिंग डांस थोड़ा मजा नहीं आया. मतलब डांस के लिए ना पर्सन हैज टू बी राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, तो ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके पर्सनल अटेंशन देके सिखा सकते हैं. एरोबिक्स में क्या है, एडल्ट्स आते हैं, तो एडल्ट्स कैन फॉलो ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस व्हाट वी आर
So
सेइंग.
first month gave free sessions. First April month हम लोगों ने पूरा free दिया था. We shared videos and all. From May onwards हम लोगों ने online live session start किया. From one batch started. Then gradually we started 2 batches. So one is taken by her, other is taken by me. And now it's 4
So
batches.
now, how excited you are to have your physical studio when you tell people that you have a studio and you have turned into an activity center now.
Right.
How did this happen? What came in your mind कि dancing से हमें दूसरी चीजों में भी जाना है?
एक्चुअली देखा, मतलब लोग बहुत कुछ पूछने लग गए थे. लाइक पीपल आर आस्किंग सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस कि आपका और क्या एक्टिविटी है. वी डिड नॉट हैव एनी
और क्या है, किड्स के लिए और क्या है. इनफैक्ट हमारे पास जो इंस्ट्रक्टर्स हैं, they are multi talent, so they know MMA also, choreography is also, judo also. So we thought कि ठीक है, instructors we have, and being with married and 2 kids, हम दोनों के infant है, हम लोग को इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता कि हम लोग सब चीज करें. And we are not pro also in everything, right? So ठीक है, with the team we thought to go ahead with all the activities, other activities, and art and craft and everything. We just decided to put in our studio.
But we are keeping all the activities one by one. We are not starting at one go because after Corona, people are turning up very slowly.
Yes.
So, and especially kids are coming full-fledged, but kids are slowly, not now, at least January maybe.
Still, it was unexpected. हम लोग का जो start था, it was a good start. That's good. हम लोगों ने first month start किया था. We were thinking huge amount we have to pay also in that studio. So we were just thinking, how will it go? We don't know. But ठीक है, भगवान की कृपा से सब ठीक है.
हो जाता है. Like I said, the passion keeps you pushing. So ये जब चलता है दिमाग में, so we can do it, and we women are multitaskers. So we believe in doing rather than speaking. So that works. एक बात बताइए आप लोग, जब आप दोनों ने सेंटर स्टार्ट किया था अपना एक्टिविटी सेंटर, did you got the same response what you planned for?
Yes.
Probably.
Okay, so everything was at place.
कोरोना नहीं होता तो और
शायद ज्यादा और अच्छा होता, because हमने
I know, yes.
full-fledged start नहीं किया है because of corona only.
But still मतलब मतलब सोचा नहीं था कि कोरोना के बाद इतना अच्छा ओपनिंग होगा. अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स, people are turning up also and getting so many queries, and maybe we keep getting.
And one thing
actually आज आप लोगों के साथ यही प्लान था कि आपका स्टूडियो देखना था. If you guys remember, जब हमारी बात हुई थी, so I had this thing in mind कि आप में से कोई एक परफॉर्म करेगा, and we all will watch it and our entire community will watch the recording. But thank you because timing भी कुछ ऐसा है और आप लोग थोड़ा फैमिली से भी occupied हैं. Considering this thing, we would like to see your studio someday when you can manage and you have your family supporting you and you have a back of your instructors, one of you performing and talking, other one is talking to us. We would like to see your studio. How do you guys do? Because that makes a difference for the community.
Yes, that would be great for us to show you our studio.
We would love to do that.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to see, because in the picture everything looks very nice, and when things look very nice, we really, as a female, we want to see more of it.
Right.
So जब ज़्यादा देखना है हम लोगों को, तो उसके लिए हमें वीडियो की जरूरत पड़ेगी और उसके साथ आप लोग को परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. I guess that would be a shining star for your video as well. When people praise you, that's an achievement. When people start knowing you, because initially when I started talking to you guys in the year start, now we have reached to year end now. It's been 1 year. I did not know what Brinda can do or what Rashmi can do. now I can see what you guys you can do and how far you have come. It's really good to see you guys growing. And any tips and tricks you want to share with the viewers or who will be watching it later for the fitness journey?
Wants to ask any question regarding yoga or some basic thing we can.
Nobody is asking Brinda any questions. Everybody is praising you because these guys know you now. So they are, everyone is just performing, as a good friend because they know what you guys can do. That's the best thing of having friends around.
Thank you so much.
One tip for every woman: please keep yourself fit. Please keep yourself fit. That's all.
Fitness is
Fitness is
very
very important in long life. So
अभी नहीं पता चलेगा when we will be old age ना, like when we will cross 50,
तब थोड़ा
55,
प्रॉब्लम होता है.
तब आपको है ना weight
This is Brinda's pet line. Brinda, make sure to add this line कि जब एज बढ़ जाएगी तब आप लोग को पता चलेगा, so that एक फेयर आ जाए और Brinda के पास में सब लोग ज्वाइन कर ले. So it's a good thing to wake people like this with this life. So I am very sure कि बहुत सारे लोग आपकी बात सुन रहे हैं.
Thank you. जो
Exactly.
55, 60, 63 years की ladies भी हम लोग के पास आती है.
Even my mother is 58 years old and she's very flexible. She takes yoga classes in our studio. Can you imagine?
She's
60. She's 60 years old
60
right
years
now.
old. She's taking 6 to 7 early morning yoga by Cinema
वो
Studio.
मेरी सबसे बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन हम दोनों की वही है. सबसे बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन.
एक रखना है कि खुद को फिट रखना है, सबको फिट रखना है, और इनका सांस को देख के ना मेरे को वो एज में मेरे को वही फिगर चाहिए जो आंटी का है. अब so I am very much conscious, but वो एज में जाके क्या होगा we don't know that, right? So but we'll definitely try to be in the shape because हम लोग शेप में रहेंगे तो ही लोग आएंगे.
और लाइफ एंजॉय करो, खाना पीना बंद मत करो, डाइट पूरा हमेशा मत करो. अभी से ध्यान रखो कि आपको डाइट करने की जरूरत ही ना पड़े. ओके, वर्कआउट आपके लिए खुद के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है. मतलब if you do 1 hour of workout, if you spare some time.
Finally you get a question.
Okay.
Yes.
I guess Brinda is reading already.
For getting fat, yes, we give diet charts.
For getting fat, she is asking. She wants to get fat because she's thin.
Yes, we give for fatness also. For getting fat also.
So Rachna, you can contact them and take that chart, or you can discuss them. Yeah, we can pass you on the numbers. Whoever wants, we can recommend them. So I hope you guys rise and shine. Just make sure that that shine doesn't dance on your head. You keep on dancing. That shine shouldn't dance on your head. That's the one thing I would like to say. Super glad to have you guys. Wonderful people and wonderful center.
To come
really
live
nice
with you. It was a wonderful talking to you, especially on live.
I can't hear you, sorry.
It was wonderful talking to you on live session right now.
Same here, Brinda, Rashmi, same here.
So much.
Thank you so much.
Same here. Keep dancing, keep rocking, keep zooming, keep everyone fit and be awesome. All the best.
Same to you.
Same to you. Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye-bye. So guys, this is how you inspire others. Like I said to Brinda and Rashmi, keep dancing. Make sure everyone is dancing, but don't let that shine dance on your head. That's very important. Because when you are growing, it's very important to be grounded and stay humble, be in gratitude. When the universe gives you, it takes also. Give everyone, learn to give, learn to teach, and learn to admire people. This was the second last series today with Brinda and Rashmi from Dazzle Activity Center, and we really hope these guys go a long way. We really hope. For you guys, we have something very exciting coming up in coming week on Mommy's World for You and Me. I'm sorry, I'm fumbling. So Mommy's World for You and Me पे बहुत सारी चीजें आने वाली हैं Facebook ग्रुप पर भी और WhatsApp ग्रुप पर, हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पर बहुत सारी चीजें, मीन्स कॉन्टेस्ट, गिव अवेज and something to really work upon. Till the time we meet you on coming Friday, you keep rocking and stay connected with me wherever you are. All the best. I love you all. Happy parenting. Enjoy winters. And whoever is with their parents, make sure you make the most of time of it, because these days are the memories. These days we will remember always. Like this recording, which will be there on all the platforms. Yeah. So see you through all activities in coming days. I'm there. You are there, and we'll rock together. Take care.